You look very, very orange.
Oh jeez.
Donald Trump.
Whoa, that's so.
Sexy.
Not yet.
Oh.
Move your face here. Okay. Stop.
Well, I'm not doing it.
What is your view on this?
I'm worried about him.
You're worried about
I'm
him?
worried about him.
What? Stop. I'm making you pretty.
I was gonna do white.
Look up.
What do you?
He's in pain.
You can't. You can't.
Look out! What do you?
Okay, now close your eyes. And put some more on your forehead.
Look at acne, guys.
Yes.
Okay.
God, don't call my acne.
That's life. Move your hair. Yes.
Is that?
Yes.
Put the brush on his tongue.
Don't.
Well, I'm not. I'm not supposed to close my eyes.
No, but you have to just relax your face. Do not relax.
I'm being attacked.
Relax your face. Okay, just like that.
You already look. You look like James Charles already.
Where did the acne go?
Right. You look very, very orange.
Oh jeez.
Donald Trump.
Whoa, that's so weird.
Wait, I really want to see myself.
No,
No,
you're not allowed
no.
to.
Wait, stop moving. I'm trying to get a close up.
Is my acne gone?
Well,
Yeah,
it's
Yes.
just like,
sort of.
Kind of.
you just can't see it as well.
Look up.
Look up.
I am.
No, you're not. With your eyes open.
With my eyes open? Oh.
Yeah, like that.
Yes. See? The foundation didn't go all the way. Look up. Just like that. See, you can't move. You can't move. Stop moving. Perfect.
That's on my mama.
That's on my mama.
Perfect.
Photo up.
Ew, it feels so weird.
A bartender.
I'm feeling my testosterone kicking in.
Why?
That's a joke.
You mean your
Move your
your
face.
estrogen kicking in?
Yes.
Your eyes getting bloodshot.
Cause you was spamming it with the bro.
Wait, it actually is getting bloodshot. It's gonna be called Silas is experimenting. the thumbnail's gonna be Silas in a dress.
Ready?
Oh,
Stop. Beauty is pain.
oh, it feels so weird.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Just comes right off.
If you try to smear it, it's gonna look. You're at the point of no return.
I can sort of see myself in the.
If you want to get the makeup off, you're not gonna be able to. So either go big or go home now.
Right.
I go big views, baby. Subscribe,
All
like and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. We're going big.
All right, guys. This is. Oh wait, I could have turned flash on the whole time. Wait. Let's look at Silas is beautiful.
Is it shining?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
You
Oh my
should go
gosh.
downtown and,
Down.
people's reactions.
We were gonna go to Target. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no. You should go to like Walmart.
Walmart. Yeah, Walmart has so many weird people. Silas.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Wait, I still don't see.
Stella, you did good.
Thank you. Thank you.
I still don't know.
This is my canvas.
All right, guys. Silas's makeup is
I
basic.
have no idea.
Is almost. Whoa, that was a good photo. He looks pretty. Now he just needs lipstick, and he'll be all good.
Yeah,
I don't have.
And that's
forgot
good. That's
lipstick.
good. I don't need. I'm good.
Nothing.
You need
You want some
bright red
lipstick?
lipstick.
All right.
Silas.
So we're gonna do a mission. Silas has to go downtown or to Target, and he has to buy makeup wipes. But we're gonna have to like record sneakily. I'm gonna have my phone, like I'm gonna hold it like this and just like wait in line and like have it turned up like that.
For me, when I say I'm the new Johnny.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to record it like that.
Can I see myself?
You're gonna get kicked out.
Throw them in the door.
I was just wondering where the.
Oh, yeah.
I think I got it.
How'd you get it?
I just closed it.
What? And it closed?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay.
I got it close and then I closed it.
Alright, guys. We are going to Target. Silas.
What's up, guys? Can't go to Target.
Talk with your hands.
That's not.
Like with attitude.
Yeah. So
Like, hi guys.
Hi guys, what's up?
Like this.
We're
Silas,
gonna
like
be going.
this.
So guys, we're
Yes.
going to be going to Target. We're gonna go
More
to the
higher,
women's section.
higher.
Women's section, so we can find some clothing and makeup stuff for later. And we can then just go.
Yes, just like that.
And then we can just go afterwards.
Oh god. Alright, let's go.
Nice. That was so gross.
I know, I'm just working on it.
Go like this.
Baby on it.
Alright. The red lady. If that's what
Mhm.
stop saying.
It matches your shirt.
Matches.
Your lower half's black, and the upper half is red.
Like ask a worker. Where are the women's swimsuits?
I'm recording right now. Can I act normal? Wait, this is not that obvious, right?
That guy's going hard. Ooh, that guy's cute. Yeah, babe.
Turkey. That's gonna be stuck in my head now. Thanks a lot, Stella.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
What kind of stuff do I like? Where's the makeup remover?
Hey, you gotta ask someone.
You have to go, yeah.
I
It was in the front, Silas.
Yeah,
no,
we
don't
don't
tell
know
me where it
where-
is. You have to ask someone.
Right. We don't know where it is.
Help. I'm lost. Help.
That's where the cosmetics are. He does.
You know where the makeup remover is?
If we have any, it's gonna be done in A block, which is right under the big CVS sign right there.
Okay, got it.
And there should be somebody down there to show you where it's at.
Thank you.
Bro, where's your hyper choice, man?
But too nice. It just sounded weird.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alright, whatever. You
We
can ask again.
might see someone else.
Yeah.
When you get there, you can be escorted.
Alright. Move face, baby.
We can ask people what do you think about his makeup?
Yeah.
You said under the seat.
No, Silas over there.
Roman, you need some of these?
Oh, always.
You said under the
Oh.
CVS.
No, it's over. I've been here before, Silas.
I know where it is. I just don't want to tell you because I want you to ask
How do you
someone.
know?
Because Danielle.
Oh.
What?
When do you guys gotta go up? Is it
Oh my gosh, no, I'm too scared.
if I
Zach-
say
It's your makeup.
I know it's my makeup, but I don't want to do
You gotta
it.
take credit. Come on, man.
Oh my gosh. Ew, no.
you gotta do it.
No, I have social anxiety. I can't talk to people.
There won't be new ones to start talking to.
Gina, they test on animals.
Oh, here you go.
Oh really?
Wait, they do?
For your
Yeah.
curls.
Ooh, I've been wanting
Wait,
curls.
how would you test on animals? Like, I don't get it.
You test on animals. You take a product and you put it on their like skin or something.
Why?
That's what they do.
But what benefit does that have?
Like you can sell more products. See, look,
If you
make
want
a
to
wipes
look like
right
that,
here.
you can use this.
Ooh.
Right here.
Silas, this time
What
you're
is that?
You
taking
can
one
use
for
one
the
and you
team.
can give the rest to me.
That other,
Wait, that's the makeup? Oh,
Yeah.
because
makeup
Silas, you're
remover.
paying for that. Because that other video that we did for the blender, I paid $30 for all that.
I thought we were funded for that.
Oh yeah, we got sponsors. Stella Cosmetics.
Oh my god, stop. Oh my gosh, go over there, Silas.
Oh
You
my
need to
gosh.
hide. Yeah.
Oh.
Take a picture.
Oh.
You get the
Can you take it?
Well, you gotta dress up. You gotta dress up in all of that. You gotta dress up in all of it.
They even have the mouthwash.
Okay, Zach. Here,
tried.
here, take a picture.
Do they have
Alright.
any shorts?
You better give me credit.
Sweet. It's hard to be.
Should I ask her? No, I'm so scared.
Well, I already found it. You mean like?
Oh, do you like that? Good.
No, someone else is gonna ask someone else, because then, like, if I just be like, do you like his makeup? Instead of just, like, coming up to someone saying, do you like my makeup? There's gotta be someone else.
I don't know.
Yeah, that'd be. Anyone want to? Because I can go up to by myself.
Alright.
That's that guy. And then that guy.
Bro, I got a video of him.
Yeah,
Maybe we should move out in the middle of the.
I don't. Okay. Oh my god, I've always wanted this. Oh my god. I got some.
$2 for a bottle of water?
How much is it?
That's nothing.
That was
At the movie theater, it's like
Yeah,
$5.
but it's literally just a bottle of water. You can buy
You
hand
know how hard they
sanitizer.
worked on printing out smart water on that bottle? That took like at least a week.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I can't believe that movie theater is so expensive. Like, when they spend like $60 at concessions, I feel so bad. I'm like, they're like, oh, this is highway robbery. I'm like, yeah, it is. I'm sorry. This one lady like flipped out at concessions when I was working there.
Well, I guess it was too much.
I was at the front desk, but my manager was like, was she a bitch to you too? And I was like, no, she was fine. He was like, she just flipped out at concessions. I was like, oh.
Stella has a
We're just told to like sympathize, be like,
Just
I
with cash.
understand.
You heard of a guy named James Charles?
You gave her too much.
Oh, sorry about that. Well, I'm basically like the new James Charles, so. Yeah, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Blueface, baby.
Bop.
Bob? Yeah. Hello. Oh, I mean.
Yeah, so guys, hello. So today we are going to be walking around asking people if they like my beautiful makeup. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
And
You know what I'm saying?
let's get it, sisters.
Why'd you touch Robin like that?
I thought that's what you said to them.
Okay, yeah. Like, it's like.
Watcha, Zach, you ready to get some makeup?
Huh?
Wait, did you bring your makeup or did you leave it
Yes,
as?
I
Okay.
have it. I have it in my bag.
So we can put it out somewhere else.
Yeah. He's like, are you ready?
Hey, sisters.
I'm proud of you.
Would you keep my distance from you guys? Because I don't.
Did you like my hand sisters?
You don't want to be part of this?
Yeah, I know.
This is walking
I know.
I know.
Silas, stay in character.
What?
Oh, Robin's in character.
God, I can't do this.
Alright, I can do it.
Stop. Okay, walk. I'm just gonna kind of walk a little bit. Yeah.
Alright. Let me have them behind you.
That smells good.
Wait, there's a Five Guys here?
Yeah.
I always go to the other one.
Wait, how long has it been?
Oh, it's 9:32.
Almost bedtime. Alright.
I've been to that church. It was so nice.
That's my church.
Really?
Yeah.
Didn't they film a movie there?
I
That
don't,
one, like, the Good Catholic.
I don't think so.
I saw it.
Oh.
Yeah. It was in, like, a downtown church. I can't remember.
Huh.
think it
You
was-
walk so weird.
You're walking like
Oh
a
yeah, and you also talk
gangster.
like. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like hi sisters. Like, you do like your S has to be like
Hi, sisters.
like hi sisters.
Hey, sisters.
I don't know how to describe
Wait,
it.
cause like Snape and stuff.
Hey, sisters.
Yeah.
That's just great.
Hey, sisters.
I'm not really
See,
good
it's
at
hard to notice like in the dark. Like you look at the norm.
Yeah.
From behind. Wait, let me
Well,
see.
obviously
Turn around.
from
Let me see.
behind.
Yeah, you look weird. I mean,
Stop, he's
pretty.
beautiful. Yeah. He's pretty. I give him a
From behind you look.
Oh, I think he's